Happy birthday, Insan. Wish you all the best. Especially in your health. Insan, di ka uni inom. Tapno naman ayon tayo pa'y laeng. Tapno kita tayo nga naragsak. So, happy birthday, Insan. I love you, Insan.
Hello everyone, kapamilya, especially to the celebrant, Manong Erning. Happy 70th birthday, Manong. Wishing you good health always and more years to celebrate. Yan. Sabi ko ba, anton sumurunong umayak di talunton kat agkita tamat, tano makapagsyat ta. Ayan, enjoy your birthday celebration, Manong. God bless you. Cheers.
Happy blessed birthday ka anakan. Sapay ko taykan nakapay na Apo Diyos tinawadwad nga tiyempo nga agselebrar ti birthday. You are a very generous and loving person. Generous to your brother, sisters, wife, children, in-laws, and the grandkids. Enjoy your special day and hope to see you in Urdaneta on December. God bless you balong and tagay nga rodain.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
In behalf of Santiago family, we would like to greet you in San Erning a happy birthday and may God bless you and many more birthdays to come. Lola! Lola! Happy birthday to you!
Mula po sa Valdez family, binabati po kita, Manong, ng happy 70th birthday po. Wish po namin always have a good health and more birthday to come.
This birthday, brother. Sana pagpalain ka ng Diyos. More birthday to come. I love you, brother.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, kapagas!
Wala bang samig dyan?
Happy 70th my birthday, my brother. We wish you to more birthday to come in many years. Sana ingatan mo palagi yung sarili mo. Iwasan ang madalas na pag-iinom para matagal pa tayo magsama. Sana sa pag-uwi mo nito at kabayan ka ng Panginoon para magkita tayo na matagal. Ganun pa man, brother, enjoy your special day. Happiest birthday, my brother.
Happy 70th birthday from the Tumamaw family.
Happy 70th birthday, Lolo Erning. Mabuhay!
Happy birthday, Lolo Erning. Wish you all the best in life. God bless. Happy 70th birthday, Uncle. Good health and more blessings to come. Happy birthday.
Happy 70th birthday, Daddy! Enjoy your party!
Happy birthday, Abuelo! We love you!
Birthday, Abuelo! Happy birthday,